Hello guys, all good? Okay. Dito naman tayo ngayon guys. Another reaction from Beanie guys. Golden Arrow. So, let's go dude. Okay.
Alright. Hey, yeah. Let's go. Think I've lost my keys again. Madness out the door. It's a Friday night.
Wow.
I'm wishing for a little more. Under streetlights, 8 p.m. Let's make this one count. No one else but me and my girls running this whole town.
Grab the ice cream, go turn the clock, dance till midnight.
Gorgeous
nobody
lady.
knows.
Everybody watch out, a storm is coming your way. Warning signs and flashing lights, all of the cliches. Feeling a little nervous with this moment in our heads. Got nothing to worry about, time to take a chance. We got tonight to borrow. We got this golden arrow. Grab the ice cream, go to the club.
May iba-iba silang version ng scene. Ito isang set lang.
Let's go. You can bet we own the world. Crown is on our heads. Go check out the rules and see nothing to be said. In our own world, 1 a.m. Perfect harmony. No one else but me and my girls.
Wow.
Making our legacy.
Grab
Tignan mo
the
guys
ice
yung
cream, go
formation
turn the
nila.
clock,
Wow.
dance till midnight. Nobody knows.
Everybody watch out, a storm is coming your way. Warning signs and flashing lights, all of the cliches.
Feeling a little nervous with this moment in our hands. Got nothing to worry about, time to take the chance.
We got tonight to
Beautiful.
borrow.
We got this golden arrow.
Rina.
Grab the ice cream, go to the club, dance to midnight.
Mika, Maloy.
We got this golden arrow. I gotta take a minute, gotta catch my
She's
breath. I don't care
rapping
about
again,
these
guys.
limits, ready
Yo.
for your test. I got no time, no
Oh.
dime for nothing else. I got
Mika.
beauty, got strength, I'm the beast in my belt.
Now it's my time to pierce my way through with this golden arrow. Ain't ever be wasted. Yeah, I'm pushing and pushing when I'm on the edge. Fighting and fighting till I got nothing left.
I got it, just be careful, just ignore the bad energy. Nobody
Oh.
can stop me, cause the star belongs to me. I'm
Grabe
placing
naman
ground
si
on my
Stacey,
head
rap din,
and
oy.
told myself, this is my shot, watch me, I can make it, I can
Patatalo to
Working
si
hard to get to the top.
Stacey.
Hope is on the horizon, with Beanie ain't gonna stop. Take your aim, make your mark, fix your eyes on the prize, and stop believing, hold the feeling this far within. It's why we're born to win. Whoa.
Parang madaming nag-rap ngayon dito sa kanta na to
We got tonight to borrow.
Maraming mga rap na
We got this golden arrow.
portion sa kanta na dito. Marami. Wow. Baga, oy. Oh. Oh, so yan guys. Ang ganda ng sayaw nila. Gusto ko sana mag-react na yung nila, dance practice dito. Saka yung iba pa nilang video. So sa susunod na siguro na video natin kasi nagagandahan talaga ako sa mga dance steps nila. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung mga sayawan na ganyan eh.
Nadinig ko na yata yan.
Gusto ko sa mga dati. Lalo na yung movies. Nanonood talaga ako ng mga movies guys, yung mga step up.
Palitan yung kanta! Nakaringking-king!
Sa susunod, di kayo magsawang manonood sa video natin. Thank you guys and have a nice day guys. Bye!